Hello, welcome back again. We are going to look at how you protect your data in Google Sheets. There are two options on how you can protect your data. You can protect the whole sheet. The whole sheet, like you see this master, it is protected to a few people to edit. And there is another option, you can protect ranges. You can decide to protect, let's say, column category. You can decide to protect column buying price, and no one can edit that, or the only people that are dedicated or assigned to edit, they are the ones who do the editing. Let's go through this now. As I've already told you in the last video on how we collaborate in Google Sheets, the link is attached. We always go to data, and you'll always find here the protect sheets and ranges. Remember, I told you that you have to make sure that you have dropped the file Excel format for you to get this functionality. If you don't have this, you'll always go to file and save it as a Google Sheet first, then you'll have these options. Now, when you go to protect sheets and ranges, the moment I click on protect sheet and ranges, automatically by default it will pick out the range which is already selected. If I had selected another range, it would have picked that, but still this option you can change. The moment if I need to change, I can say I want to protect the whole of B, it will be B. If I say I want to protect B and this, it will be F. So any range you select, you see it will be selecting that. The moment I select the whole of this, it will show you that you have selected from row 1 to row 1000. Now let me go with product, and here I will give it a description. So this is what we have done. Okay, I accept. Then this description, I can say this is product column or field. So why do we name this? Such that in future you can tell what the protection defines. So in case I'm to edit in future, that now I need to edit this with these permissions, then here you can go ahead and set the permissions. Set permissions, it will always by default bring only you can edit. If you want more than that, then you say customize, then it will drop everyone, or you can add people here who are eligible to edit. In case you have many people assigned to this, when you uncheck this, it will uncheck everyone, then you start checking one by one. Or you can say show a warning when editing this range, such that people will see the warnings, but still they will end up editing and their edits will be actualized. So we can always go with the restrictions. The moment I do done, it means that only Subtech Online is the one who can, only me, I can edit that column master, the column in sheet master, then column BB. That is okay, which means now here it automatically shows me that one column is protected in sheet master. So if I cancel this, and in case you want to know that in this sheet what is protected, you just always go to data, protect sheets and ranges, and it will show you what is protected. Now let's protect the whole of sheet input. If I want to protect the whole of sheet input, I will right click on this and say protect, and here it automatically goes to sheet. These were the ranges which we started with. Now we are protecting the whole sheet. So you can even pick sheets from here, like I want to protect the whole of master, I want to protect the whole of input. Then you can protect the whole sheet, then you give exception of some sheets to be unprotected. So you can give this and say maybe discount. So which means you are protecting the whole of sheet input, but only discount is unprotected for anyone or editors to update. So you can add another range like that. Let's say if you want to add D, you can add D and say OK. Which means I protected the whole of sheet input, but F and D are unprotected. So I'll set permissions as how I did before. You can set permissions with the number of people you want. If I say Sabiti, sabitchristopher.com. We'll pick here, and there we go. Now here it asks me to first share with him, then I'll say yes, share with this person, and this person will be shared, and at the same time this person is part of the editors to this sheet. So that is it, guys. That's how you do it. Now on the other end, in case there are protections which you want to adjust, like I want to delete some of the protections, I no longer need them. You might just taking an example that your sheet is that way, we always go to the options menu, data, then protect sheets and ranges. Here it will show you that you can say show all protected ranges. It will show you all, even if they are 100, they will show up here. You can scroll down to look for what you need. That's why I told you that we need to name them such that you know by default what you're looking for. Now this is the product field we did before. Now this is the input, with the exception of 2 ranges. Now I want to delete this. The moment I click on it, there is always a delete button here, or a delete icon. So when I do that, it will ask me that, are you sure you want to remove this protection? Anyone who has edit access on this sheet will be able to edit the content. So that is a note that comes. You take serious of it. In case you don't need to do that, then you revert this by cancelling. Then I'll do remove. It automatically disappears. Even if I want to delete this, still I can use this delete, and now my Google Sheet, all the 2 sheets are not protected. So that is it. Please consider subscribing, leave a comment such that we can make another video next time, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a comment in case there is an exception from this you need. Bye bye, meet you in the next video.